Hello guys, so I'm working on this amazing word puzzle game. Okay, so you can see these are some words, letters. Okay, in this letter you need to create some words, meaningful word. Okay, so let's try something. Like suppose if I just randomly say HDE, it's not a word. Let me just try to check. And you can see the delete button and answer. Okay, so this will display the answer here. Let's click on the check button.
Sorry, wrong answer. Please try again.
Okay, let's try again. So let's delete this and let me just try HIDA, hide, and let's try again, check.
You are correct.
Okay, so that's the fantastic app. Now if you want to try another word, so you need to just click on this delete button like this. So this word will delete it. Now you can try another words. Okay, so you can try bad, like suppose BAT, bad, right? Let's try check.
So, you are correct.
Right, and let's try any other word, like this is not a meaningful word, and let's click on the check again.
Sorry, wrong answer. Please try again.
Okay, so that's the amazing app we are going to create using the MIT App Inventor platform. So if you have any idea, so we'll improve this app and we'll add more features. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.